Well, as you can see, I pretty much got my demolition derby lawnmower done. That's the sheet metal work off my car, and especially form fitted and mechanic wired on there. That never really died. It's just I didn't feel like running it because it leaked gas as much as it used, so I just put it up and got it running again today. Got my car moved around here, ready to haul off for scrap. Took the motor out of it because my cousin's truck wouldn't pull it with it in. Just dragging the ground too bad. And there's the motor. And there's my racing lawnmower project. I just about have it done. I'm having some problems about the firing in it and that rear pulley. Now, the front pulley is right there, I think. In fact, it's right there. The rear pulley is way up in there, so I'm having to go around that because I don't really have anything to cut it out with. My hacksaw doesn't really work on it too well. So got my gas tank on there. I've did most of this Friday or Thursday. I put the keyway and the keeper rings in the rear axle, that way it can turn. And there's my exhaust pipes. I am actually going to try to start this thing. See if I can find a good vantage point to do it. I'll just put it on the back now. I gotta wrap it around this pulley to start it because my electric starts out. While that's out, I'm gonna have to use this to start it. And I just cleaned the spark plug, so hopefully it'll work this time. Nope, not working. I hope you all can see the motor. Don't look like that thing's going to start. Anyhow, I don't have any more batteries to electric start this, so I also put me a pulley on it. And had a friend of mine weld my pipes back on there. So now, got a little support right there for it. Goes from the steel bars right there to the steel bars under this hood. And down in there, so it's loaded more. So now, ain't getting this exhaust off.